everybody? Hope you had a good holiday with your family, time off if you took any. Today we're going to be playing with RC cars. It's my Traxxas Slash. Well, it's a Raptor. They label it as a Traxxas Ford Raptor. It's really just a two-wheel drive Slash, non-brushless. You can see it's got a Ford Raptor body on it, little mirrors, non-brushless like I said. Picked this thing up about a week ago. Thought I might be able to relive a little bit of my childhood. I had a gas-powered one back in the day. They're just too finicky in my opinion. I have been beating this thing to death for a week now. I can't believe that this thing has not. The only thing I did out of the box was put one medium shock spacer that's given to you out of the box on here. What I noticed was taking this thing around the road and then the rocks, the thing would dive right on the right front if I were making a right front, or a left turn making falling on the left front. Adding the little spacer creates more shock pressure to push the body and the truck back up, so it wouldn't just sit there and burn one tire off of it, because it's only two-wheel drive. I found it a lot better handling this way. It works for me. It might not work for you. I'm not the greatest driver, but I get the thing going and tearing shit up. So got the redneck ramp here, of course. That's what I do. Cheap, easy fun. We got DirecTV hooked us up with a sponsorship with a satellite dish. I'm gonna jump this tax ditch. It's roughly 15 foot wide. It clears it, but it doesn't go through the neighbor's grass because it's too tall and mucky. But the thing flies like a damn kite. I'm amazed. The $330 I spent on this thing, it has been a ball to run around. It just, I don't know, there's something cool about it that I like. It's been throwing rocks all, oh, here we go, little action. Throwing rocks all over my yard for as slow as it goes, really. I mean, you'll see a buddy of mine's coming over with a Arrma Senton, which is about twice as fast in four-wheel drive. I wish I bought that one, but hey, here we are with the Traxxas. So coming back to the shed, I found some wood laying around. Time to make a big old ramp for the RC cars. Stay tuned. The Skeeter Mickey Eater 2000. Quick, ghetto, 15-minute job to yeet some RC cars. Get at it. What's up, guys? My buddy TJ brought over his Arrma Senton. Same style truck, short course body, 4-wheel drive, brushless. You hear the fans going. It's got fans on the servos and the motor. It is nasty compared to my non-brushless Slash. Yeah. Go ahead. That was a jam set. Yeah. I think mine's dying. Jamaican Jim, my brother, how did you get over there? We've upgraded, folks. The Yeeter Skeeter 2000. Arrma Senton does the ditch no problem. It'll even do it in reverse. Maybe not. Just had a damn landslide. Jamaican Jim, my brother, what happened?
We didn't make it, you know. The turbos didn't spool up in reverse and just didn't clear it in time, you know. But I'll get it tuned up, we'll clear it, no problem, no problem.
Yeah. Here, I'm a football catch this Arrma Senton real quick. Just kidding. Drive it. This thing is bad. Oh, he went in the damn... He's trying to go through the damn culvert pipe. Driveway culvert. Jamaican Jim, my brother, you gotta drive it around.
It's always go. It's always go. No STOP. It's always go with Jamaican Jim. We never stop. Too much power, baby.
Too much power, baby. So much power, it took it off the mount off of the body. 60 plus easy out of the box. It made it seem off the box that it went 50 plus. This thing does easily 60. This thing is sick. It's landing, I'll count the footsteps, but every bit of 20 foot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
17, 18, 19. 19 feet away from the ramp. Just got back inside after a long thrash on these poor RC cars. Jamaica and Jim, what do you got to say?
We done broke the front bumper and shit, man. You see this right here? Look at this. Now it's adjustable. You see? But that's okay. That's how we roll. It's always go.
So, we broke the front bumper on the Senton. No big deal. They make aftermarket bumpers, which it probably needs it anyways, the way we run these things. So, we're going to do a little comparison. Arrma versus Slash base model, basically. Both of these things are out of the box. TJ hasn't done nothing to his, or all I did was the spacer. Both waterproof. His actually has, which I've never seen, little fans on top of the servo and the motor, which is amazing. The technology that these companies are putting in these things. You guys seen it firsthand with how bad we were thrashing. Both trucks still fully functional. Nothing at all broken. I bought mine with one extra battery and a charger adapter, and I got $330 wrapped up in the Traxxas. TJ's got $520 wrapped up in this truck, bare bones stock. You get what you pay for. This truck's actually, I would think, a little tougher. The frame itself's a little beefier. It's not just one little tiny piece of plastic. It's got some good sidewall frame strength, and the diffs, this thing's got 2 diffs, all-wheel drive. There's a little drive shaft right here. That's pretty neat. That's about it, really. I mean, if you want to spend the extra money, buy this truck. I can't have enough good comments about it. It's $320 at Hobbytown, and this one was $265. A base model Slash is $200, but it's not a licensed Ford product. They jacked the price up, of course. The Ford's got to make their money off of it. This truck's pretty tough. I mean, it went through hell today, minus the broken bumper. For $520, you can walk out of there with an extra battery and a charger. This truck they claim it's ready to run out of the box, but it's not. You still have to buy a battery, you still have to buy a charger, and at that, I mean, a battery only lasts 15 to 20 minutes when you're ripping on this thing, where mine, you can get about a half an hour if you're ginger with it and not full throttle through the grass. If you go 3/4 throttle to the grass and then wide open on rocks and hard surfaces, it lasts for about half an hour, 40 minutes. But we both have 2 batteries. We both have a charger, which is, my charger's a lot cheaper. That's what you get into when you get into the brushless stuff with the LiPo batteries and good batteries and stuff. But I'm gonna upgrade mine here soon with a bigger battery, a LiPo battery, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna go brushless yet. I'm gonna probably get a different truck and thrash it as well. Peace.